Okay, pre-algebra, here are a few examples of the kind of equations you guys are doing tonight. Remember that we're always trying to get the x by itself. We're trying to isolate the variable on one side of the equation. So the way that we do that when we have division equations like these is to do the opposite of division, which is multiplication. If we multiply this side by 4 over 1, that lets us cancel out the 4's and leaves us with just our single x all by itself, which is what we want. So since we multiplied this side by 4 over 1, we can come over here and multiply this side by 4. We don't need to, let me fix that, that looks pretty good. Multiply this side by 4. We don't need to put it over 1 since the 9 is already a whole number. And 9 times 4 is 36, and that is your answer. On the next one, we're dividing by 2 this time. So the way that we get rid of it is we multiply by 2. So you want to put it like this, 2 over 1, allows you to cancel out your 2's, leaves you with just your x all by itself. So he can come down here, and then we multiply by 2 over 1 on this side, so we can come over here and multiply by 2 over 1, or just the 2, since the 10 is already a whole number. And negative 10 times 2 is negative 20. Remember, if the signs are different, it's negative in multiplying and dividing. Looking at the next example, 2x over 5 equals negative 10. This time we're going to go ahead and use the reciprocal of 2 over 5 and multiply by 5 over 2. That allows us to cancel our numbers. That's 1, that's 1, that's 1, and that's 1, and it leaves our x all by itself, which is again what we're trying to do, isolating that variable. And since we multiplied this side by 5 over 2, we need to come over here and do it to this side. So I'm going to write times 5 over 2. So what I need to do to my negative 10 is put it over 1. When I cancel, this will be 1, and this will be 5. But this negative is still here, so you need to make sure that you use it when you multiply. So negative 5 times 5 is negative 25. And the bottoms are 1, so it's just negative 25. Looking at this last one, we have 3/4 x equals 21. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal and multiply by 4/3. Again, we can cancel out our 4's, cancel out our 3's, leaves us with our x all by itself. So x equals, I need to multiply by 4/3 over here, put the 21 over 1, cancel my 3 and my 21. 3 goes into 21 7 times, and now I have 7 times 4 equals 28. And I just have 1's on the bottom, so I can leave it like that. And those are all your examples I'm doing tonight. If you have any questions, of course, you can email or text me, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.